Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the supervision on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner. Tap to the settings and privacy option and click to the for families section, the supervision option. Click to the get started option and in the search button write your teen or your children name and tap to the invite option. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.